Well, hello, YouTube and Facebook friends. This is Carin Lynch at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, where today we're going to make another simple, nutritious, and delicious recipe. We're going to make unsausages. That's right, not sausages, unsausages. Okay, so here are our ingredients. First, we're going to start with some oats. Today, I am going to be using quick oats. I find that the texture is a little bit better when we're making these unsausages. They're not as chewy, but if you have regular oats, you can try that too, or even do half and half. We have some water. I have some ground walnuts, some Bragg's Liquid Aminos. Now, Bragg's Liquid Aminos is a soy sauce substitute. It's got a lot of amino acids in it, which are the building blocks of our protein. And it's something really good is that it's not fermented. And then I also have some ground sunflower seeds. Then our seasonings. I have some garlic powder, some sage, some nutritional yeast flakes, some onion powder, and a little bit of olive oil. Okay, a nice simple recipe. We're just going to take everything but our oats and put it in a pot and bring it to a boil. Okay, I'm going to just give this a stir, get everything mixed up, and then just wait until everything comes to a boil. Now, I did say that you could use ground sunflower seeds and walnuts. However, you can grind those as fine as you like, or if you'd like, you could just chop them really fine so that they have a little more texture. It's really your preference. We should make a recipe our own. So you find the things that you and your family enjoy, and you do it to the way that you like it. All right, once our liquid mixture is boiling, we're just gonna add our oats, and then we're gonna cook this. We can leave it on high. We're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes just to get this nice and thick, because we're gonna actually just make patties with it. All right, now that our mixture has cooled down a bit, and it's nice and thick, you'll see here that it's got a firm texture, we're ready to make our patties. But I want to kind of share with you a little trick that I do. I use a mason jar lid to make a great uniform, perfect portion controlled patty. The great thing about this is you can just take some plastic wrap and put that right over it, and it's great to just push the patties out. Now, if you don't want to use plastic wrap, you could actually just put a little olive oil and you'll get the same effect. So I'll just take some of my mixture, and I'll put that right in my lid. Press it down pretty good. You want to get it so it's nice and firm in there. And then you can just turn it out, and there's our patty. Okay, so now that we've got our unsausage patties done, I've put them right here on a silicone pat, but you could actually just take a little olive oil and stick that right on your baking sheet, and you can put them on there and put them right into the oven at 375 for 15 minutes, and then you're going to take them out and flip them over and put them back in for another 15 minutes, so you have a nice golden brown unsausage patty. All right, there you have it, our wonderful unsausage patties. These are great for breakfast. Have them with waffles or pancakes or even like a scrambled tofu dish. You are going to love them. But let's give it a try. They have a meaty texture. They've got a meaty flavor. This is a great side dish for your breakfast. Well, friends, our time is up here at the Wildwood Lifestyle Center Teaching Kitchen, but I want to remind you to go to our YouTube channel, DIY Health, or our Facebook page, Wildwood Lifestyle Center. God bless.